Hey, you there. Are you tired for paying for classes but not learning? Well, I'm going to tell you something completely different. I'm going to tell you about FABAtv. You can get 600 plus classes 24/7, 365 days a year. Unless it's leap year, then you get a free day. No more learning from just a photo. Instead, learn from over 180 international instructors. But it's not just face painting classes on FABAtv. You can learn how to do airbrushing, glitter tattoos, henna tattoos, makeup, balloon twisting, business, and so much more. You don't need to buy one class at a time or even for a weekend. You have full access to all 600 classes by award-winning artists that you simply won't find anywhere else. If you order right now, you can get a 6-month course for only $99.99 for 6 months, 600 plus classes on everything crafty. But wait! There's more. Not only do we have classes in English, but also an entire library in Spanish. But wait, there's more. I'm still not done. If you order right now, not only will we help you save money, but we will send you a free rainbow cake, completely free, and no fee for shipping and handling. Invest in your success and get your membership on FABAtv now.